what's going on today, guys? Coming outside, it's a beautiful day today. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. So today, what I'm gonna get into today is to not mess with this today. Take off today for this one. And I'm going to concentrate on this one. You see somebody scratch hole in my hood, HOE, scratch my vehicle up, bust my back window out of, I have now replaced it now. See, it don't have the tint on it. That's the only window that don't have the tint. That's the one I replaced. Due to the fact it was in the winter, so due to my window being busted over the winter, which I covered it up and all that, but I got some mildew and stuff all over the seats, and still got some glass in there, but I'm cleaning it out now, the little mold, the mildew and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna just get this done. Smell a lot better now. Yeah, get it done. Yeah, let's begin. It's only in the back though. All right, let's get it done. By the way, this is a Hyundai equus. Yeah, let's get this done. Trying to see where I'm gonna sit this at. We're gonna change the angle if I can. Let's see. I guess I can't. So we're gonna clean this up. Yeah, guys, a lot of things gonna be coming to the channel soon. As I was saying, I ain't been posting videos, a lot yet, because I'm just really getting into this, you know what I mean? So, I'm gonna get on it. Just trying to get a lot of things done. Need a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I showed you a couple cars. We're gonna keep it lit. In due time, I'm gonna keep it lit, cause I got a lot of things coming for my Dodge Challenger, and I got a lot of things coming to be done to my XLR. This is my truck, Harley Davidson. I'm gonna try to do a couple of things with this too. So, yeah, so just walking down the streets. Oh yeah, we got a nice BMW back there too, drop top. We're gonna keep it lit. We're gonna take a rest for a minute. There's just a lot of things going on right now, man. Want to do so much, but my problem is, guys, I try to do too much at once. If I got 10 cars, I'm trying to do something to all 10 cars, and that's not the way to do it. The way to do it is to try to knock off one, and knock off one and try to, knock the one off and go to the next. But my brain be like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. So I just gotta slow it down a little bit. That way my content will be, it's so much content that I haven't shown you guys. Cause I'm not, when you're not used to doing certain things every day, and everything you do, you don't do it. So I'm not used to doing this yet. It don't come natural yet. It's not coming natural yet. But I think I keep working at it and working at it and working at it, it'll become natural. So that's why I'm telling you guys, I haven't been doing it that long, but I'm gonna get it. I know I don't show my face that much, and I'm clear coat this one little thing, and it's a little thing on the bottom of that BMW. I'm a clear coat, and then I'll be done with that. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So, just, stick with me, you guys. I'll be giving you a lot more of content. I'm gonna do another video shortly, so just stick with me, you guys. Thanks.